Welcome to the Flat Glass Academy. In this video, I want to talk about what is flat glass and why you should learn how to do flat glass. Flat glass is what we refer to in the industry as any window that is flat. Now, it may seem obvious to some, but those that are just getting started, it's kind of an industry lingo that we use. So flat glass is going to refer to your residential jobs as well as your commercial jobs. So in this case, we're going to be doing this front door of our shop here. And it does have film on it now, so I'm gonna go into depth on removing it as well as replacing the film. Now, why should you learn flat glass? There's a lot of different reasons, but if you don't know how to do flat glass, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. Residential and commercial window tinting is just as important, if not more important, than cars. Now, why would I say it's more important? It's because what the window film is protecting when it comes to a house or a business is more important than what it's protecting in a car. In a car, it's protecting your kids from squinting, your dogs, which are extremely important, but it's just a discomfort, right? Whereas with flat glass and residential and commercial tinting, we're protecting people's floors that they've spent thousands and thousands of dollars on. We're protecting the interior of homes and businesses. For business owners, we're making their team members comfortable by the receptionist not having to sit there with a squint in their eye. We've all visited a business where the receptionist is being blasted by the sun. So those are some of the most common reasons that you're gonna be doing flat glass. Some things I definitely wanna talk about is privacy at night. Privacy at night is the one thing that flat glass does not achieve. You cannot provide privacy at night with residential and commercial window films. So that's why customers still need to consider blinds and drapes as an option in addition to window film. Because as soon as it becomes darker outside than it is inside, it has that opposite effect. So think of driving down the freeway in a big city. At night, the high-rise buildings, you can see each office that has someone in it. And during the day, think of a Vegas hotel, it looks nice and cohesive. But at night, you can see what people are in their hotel rooms at that time. So it's the same thing on a house or on a building. So just kind of keep that in mind as we work through this. It does provide privacy during the day. It's gonna block glare, it's gonna block UV, and it's gonna bring down the heat. So those are some of the most common reasons that we're installing window film on residential and commercial buildings.